What's up, you guys, and welcome to another episode of Project Paperweight. Today we're going to be learning how to clean your car. Well, I was cleaning my car and thought I might as well take you guys for a long ride with it. And Bentley, my dog, say hi to Bentley. He's there. Hi. Hi, Bentley. Say hi. Yeah, and there's my car. This is my barely used 2015 Volkswagen Passat TDI. Yes, it was a part of the diesel scandal, but apparently they put them back for sale with retuning. And it feels exactly the same as it did before. This Volkswagen Passat has 140 horsepower and 240 foot-pounds of torque. Going to the front extremely dirty from the past 1,000 miles of road trip I was just on with my real work. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter diesel motor. The 2015 year is a different diesel motor. The 14s had an older version. This one supposedly made more power and had a different manifold on the back of it. But now that you're bored of me talking about the car we're washing, we're gonna wash it. Alright, in order to wash your car, you'll need an extension cord, a shout vac, those both to wash the inside, a handful of rags. I recommend microfiber towels. Costco has the best ones for the money, honestly. Then when it comes to the outside, you'll need a bucket, a grit guard, and some soap, and some more of these towels. And a wash buddy. Isn't that right, Bentley? Hey, buddy. All right, now you're gonna watch me wash it. I'll do a little fast motion thing for you. It'll be kind of fun. Probably satisfying for some weird people out there. Okay. But yeah, so basically you wanna start from the top, work your way down. This is so you don't pick up bugs, dirt, and mud onto your rag and scratch your paint. You want to keep stuff kind of compartmentalized. So you'll see that as I go through the process of doing it. See me quickly vacuum, and yeah, go from there. Hope you enjoy. All right, you guys, she's all clean. We'll get a little walk around of the car here. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. The car is nice and clean now. You got to get a quick look at how I do it. Start from the top, you work your way down. I usually wash my wheels first, use a separate rag for that and a separate bucket of water. Always use a grit guard, and yeah, use clean towels. Watch out for, dropping your rag. You drop your rag, you're done. You gotta get new rags. Rag's done. Remember that, guys. Remember what old Uncle Cameron tells you. Don't drop your rag. Ooh, don't drop your rag. But all right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have any more questions or comments about how to wash your car, pretty simple task. Drop a comment below. Thank you.